Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to assemble an off-grid 5 kilowatt solar PV system to my house, and I will show you how to do it yourself. First I am going to unbox this EPEver 5 kilowatt low PV inverter I have received from Alibaba. Oh, inside this carton there is another carton. It's a very good packaging. This is interesting. You have a toolkit for the assembly. Along with the inverter, you are given this user manual. So read it carefully. All the instruction for fixing the inverter correctly is given in the user's manual. In addition to that, there is a quick guide given in. Very important thing is you have to keep 150 millimeter minimum or 6-inch minimum from either side of the inverter. You can see here these are air inlets, and on the side also there is air inlet, and it will have fans at the bottom, and there should be air circulation within the inverter for cooling the electronics inside piece of paper, and they have given it marked the holes. You can see here there are 3 hole positions which is exactly matching with these hole positions. So you can keep it on the wall like this where you are going to fix the inverter, and you can mark the anchor bolt holes on this piece of paper, and also you can get an idea of the size of the inverter from this piece before installing it. And make sure you keep the distance at least 6 inch from either side of the inverter for better air circulation. Before we start, safety first. Electricity is a life-threatening hazard. So if you are not a qualified electrical engineer or electrical technician, and if you are not trained for electrical installation, do not attempt to do this. First, get trained or seek assistance from a qualified electrical technician before you start to do it. Let's open the cover and see. In addition to the inverter and the battery, in order to complete the circuit, you need ANL Fuse, two 40 amp MCBs breakers, then you need one RCC DC breaker, then a fuse for the PV side, and also you need DC breaker for the battery side. You need surge protection device EV side as well as AC side. So AC and DC, 2 SPDs you need a 16 slot MCB box. Okay, let's assemble. So I will assemble according to the wiring diagram. This here. So first we will take the AC input side, because it is here. AC input should go to the SPD. Because the surge can come from the utility side. Directly AC in will come to the SPD, then it will be going to a input breaker. Then AC output, first it will go to an AC breaker. Then in order to protect our equipment, we have to have an RCCB, or residual current circuit breaker, or normally referred to as strip switch. Okay, so AC inlet, it goes to SPD, then breaker goes to the inverter. AC output comes to the AC output breaker, and then it goes to the trip switch. Then we can take the AC output out. Next, over here we can have the DC breaker, because somewhere here, the wires will be very large, or 35mm wires we have to draw, so we can put it straight away like this from here. Battery terminals will go to the battery from this side. PV input, it should go to you can take the PV from this side. First go to the SPD, like this, because if there is a surge coming from the PV, first it should be taken care of. Then you can have the DC fuse or DC breaker like this. Next, DC breaker. Okay, all are intact. Now start the wiring. Having installed everything in place, now it is time to load test the inverter. First, we turn on the battery power and turn on the inverter and wait until inverter is started. Now I will give the AC or utility input. Utility is received. Now battery is in the charging mode. Okay, now I will turn on the output breaker and the trip switch or RCD. First we will test the RCD. It is working. We are safe. Now I will take some load. Test the drill first. Okay. Yeah. Now I will turn off the utility power. Okay. Now the inverter is in battery mode. Anyway, it was in battery mode. Then I will Our project is successful. See you on the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, you can give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you can watch more and more very useful videos in future.